Come on, Clyde, come on.
We want it to go down, right?
Yeah. Hey, that's good.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Okay, come on. Covered in sand. All of my pockets.
Everybody's here.
Okay.
Nobody's barking.
So we're in the process of filling up the bottom layer of our geothermal greenhouse with these huge piles of sand. We're using sand not only for its thermal mass properties, but also because it's got really good drainage, because we're going to be planting eventually directly into the soil here. We want everything to be connected to the earth. It's the first layer that we're going to be doing before we add our climate battery.
Yeah, so after we get this in, we have... Sorry, Bob, you're just whining.
Bob is a...
What did we have?
It's like ear, like he had it like in
Oh, like it. Did it fall off?
Bob, you're such a
Judge is
construction
digging.
worker.
Okay, so that was not a
All right.
distraction.
So the climate battery.
So the next bit is going to be our climate battery part. So we'll have manifolds on this side of the greenhouse and behind, equal, with 4-inch pipe running lengthwise.
Yeah, which we have on hand here at the property. We've already acquired it.
Climate battery components are going to be on either side. So kind of where Michelle's sitting and behind, they'll be equally spaced lengthwise. And then we're going to have 4-inch Big O in socks connecting to each manifold with an intake and an outtake fan. It'll be 2 different parts. Pulling the hot air down into the soil, and then it can bring it up in the evening when it's cold, in the colder times of the year. And the other thing that we need to do is run our water lines for all the hose bibs. We've got 1, 2, 3 hose bibs. And we also have like a rough-in for a sink, like a wash sink for Michelle to wash the vegetables. Total of 4 water lines we got to get ran. And then we have electrical to connect into the main panel. So those all need to be done prior to filling in more sand. And the sand's going to come up to probably here. How much soil do you think you need?
Well, we need at least 68 inches.
Look at the camera.
Yeah.
It's hard. It's easy, right? So 68 inches.
No, 6 to 8 inches.
Oh, wow. Because we only have 68 inches, like from where we were. So yeah, we still have lots to do. And then I also have the pad for the post, which I'm going to, hopefully this melts a little bit more today. But I still think I'm going to fill it in, and we might play volleyball later.
Mm-hmm.
In the Round Earth Beach House.
Mm-hmm. We're going to shovel this?
I have to dump it in, and then I have to shovel it.
Here's onto our line.
Yeah.
If there's big rocks, we don't want them in there, right?
It's fine. It's better if they're lower. It's not going to hurt that rock.
And it just goes right on top of the snow?
Yeah, the snow will melt. If it doesn't melt now, it'll melt when we turn on the climate battery.
Okay.
It'll melt, baby.
This one's still warm.
farm fresh. Sorry if I made you so scared.
So we put up a thermostat here. This is
Thermometer.
we put a thermometer up here because this is the sun, where the sun hits the strongest in the entire greenhouse. We want to see how hot it gets in direct sun and also in the winter. It's about 5 degrees Celsius outside right now.
Which would be 40.
Yeah, 40 Fahrenheit. We just put it up and it's already at 20 degrees Celsius.
It's gonna hit like 25.
Yeah, which is about 65 Fahrenheit.
So what that's gonna do, we'll have polycarbonate on the face above us here. So as the sun hits that in the wintertime, polycarbonate diffuses the light. So it's gonna spread it equally for all the plants. But it's also gonna amplify the temperature a little bit, especially when it's colder outside.
Yeah.
That's the whole idea of how we positioned and sited the greenhouse. Bobby, please. Is you want it facing true south, not magnetic south.
Yeah.
You want it to be at this with the direction of the sun. So
Which, as you can see, we are getting a lot of right now. And while we're over here, we also wanted to address the wet spots on the wall. So those are from water seeping in from the roof. Well, not the roof, but the top of the wall. He does have a membrane along the top of the wall, all along the greenhouse, including the pillars. But with all the snow and moisture that we've had this winter, some moisture has seeped in, and what it does is it seeps through the rammed earth. Am I right? And then it comes out the wall.
Yeah, it's hitting the face, but where there's bits of porosity, it'll come in. So they should all dry up and go away.
Yeah, this isn't going to stay. And then obviously once we have a roof on, we're not going to have that issue, we hope.
No, we won't have that issue.
No. But we'll watch today, even with this beautiful sun that we have, all these wet spots might,
They were way worse this morning.
yeah, they might dry up. So
But it's still
we'll show you
freezing.
the-
It's still freezing overnight, so it's freezing that moisture in there. So it takes a little bit for it to come out.
Okay, we're already up to 80 Fahrenheit, which is just under 30 Celsius.
26. Hot. Hey,
We're going to be suntanning in here.
buddy.
Okay, we're almost, holy crap, we're at 35 degrees Celsius.
don't know why the plank is everybody's favorite place to be.
Because it's a higher ground. Even though I'm about to put my feet right in the sand, I want to take my boots off on the plank.
Okay. You got a couple minutes. Maybe.
Oh, yes. How about I just spread it?
Yeah, sure. Jojo.
When do we get to bring the machines down here?
You like machines? As long as
Manual labor can just fight it.
It's therapeutic, babe. Why do you think I'm so calm? Because I shovel so much.
It's zen.
I'm one with shovel.
It's so warm. You want to come earth with me?
Where?
Right here.
Oh, I'm not very sorry.
You can come right here, babe.
Camera lady.